Shifting focus now, in a rare act of public disclosure, the Supreme Court uploaded reports, photos and videos related to the allegations of unaccounted cash discovered at the official residence of Justice Yashwant Verma, a sitting judge of the Delhi High Court. The materials now available on the court's website reveal the findings of an internal investigation and Justice Verma's detailed response denying the allegations. The Supreme Court also uploaded videos and photographs which Delhi Police Commissioner Sanjay Arora purportedly shared with Chief Justice Upadhyay. A three-judge panel has been formed by the Supreme Court to probe the case. Justice Verma has denied the allegations, calling them a conspiracy to malign him. He also claimed that the room where the cash was found was accessible to everyone, including his workers, gardeners, and even staff from the Central Public Works Department. The Supreme Court has written to the High Court and asked questions from Justice Verma. The Supreme Court seeks the source of the cash and details of staff members from the last 6 months at Verma's residence. Justice Verma has been explicitly asked not to delete any data from his phone. Now, what Justice Verma has said on the entire matter is that he has said that all the allegations against him are preposterous and he's denied any allegations of wrongdoing. Now, he's denied a cash haul, saying that no cash was placed in the storeroom that was there in his house. He's also gone on to say that the cash does not belong to him or his family. And he's further said no sacks of burnt currency were found in the storeroom. No cash was shown to his family or the staff that was present there at the house. This is what Justice Verma has said when it comes to the cash that was found in the storeroom, saying that this is a conspiracy to malign him, to tarnish his image, and it is in fact to frame him. So that is what Justice Verma has said after a huge wads of cash were found, burnt cash was found in the storeroom. This incident occurred on March the 14th. Now, in a rare public disclosure, the Supreme Court has uploaded the reports, videos and photos related to the allegations of this unaccounted cash, pictures of which and videos of which you see on the screen. This was at the official residence of Justice Yashwant Verma, a sitting judge of the Delhi High Court. Now, the materials available on the court's website now reveal the findings of an internal investigation and Justice Verma's detailed response denying the allegations. The Supreme Court has also uploaded videos and photographs which Delhi Police Commissioner Sanjay Arora purportedly shared with the Chief Justice Upadhyay. A three-judge panel has also been formed by the Supreme Court to probe the entire incident, while Justice Verma has denied the allegations, calling them a conspiracy to malign him. He also claimed that the room where the cash was found was accessible to everyone, including his workers and gardeners and even the staff from the Central Public Works Department. He said that no cash was placed in the storeroom that was there in the house. My colleague Shrishti Ojha is joining me on the phone line with more details. Shrishti, we are seeing that Justice Verma has vehemently denied all the allegations of any wrongdoing, saying that the cash was found in the storeroom does not belong to him or his family, and that it is in fact a conspiracy to malign him. What more details can you give us on that?
Well, Seema, as we know, the Supreme Court has now issued an entire press release, including all the concerned documents with regard to this case, including the communication sent by the Chief Justice of India to the Delhi High Court Chief Justice, and also the High Court Chief Justice's inquiry report with Justice Verma's response as well. The Chief Justice of India had asked the Delhi High Court Chief Justice to get clarifications from Justice Verma in certain important aspects, including how does he account for the cash that was found in that said room, the source of the money, the cash, etc. Now, post that, the Delhi High Court Chief Justice in his report has said many important points regarding the inquiry, stating that the inquiry conducted by him reveals it does not reveal the possibility of entry or access to the room, the said room where the incident took place, by any person other than his family members, those residing in the bungalow, the servants, gardeners, and the CPW personnel. So even according to the Chief Justice, these persons could have accessed the said room, and the Chief Justice said that it is the private opinion that the entire matter warrants a deeper probe. Now, Justice Yashwant Verma, as you pointed out, has vehemently denied all these allegations. He, in fact, even questioned that the room where the incident took place is in one corner of the house, completely separate from the bungalow where his family resides. The incident happened when him and his wife were not even in town, and also that there's a possibility, he basically said that this is a conspiracy. It clearly is a conspiracy to malign him and against him. The Supreme Court, as of now, the Chief Justice of India has constituted a 3-member panel which consists of High Court judges which will now probe into this entire issue and the allegations that have been made against Justice Verma. That's it.
Right, Shrishti, what can you tell us about the reaction of the judicial fraternity in the entire matter? Because this is something that has made national headlines. And even though Justice Verma has denied the allegations, there are questions that are being raised about how the cash, so many wads of cash were found in his residence.
Well, since the news broke out on Friday morning, we've seen, the legal fraternity was extremely shocked. We also spoke to many lawyers who both on and off record have told us that, it's an extremely shocking incident. At the end of the day, allegations like these end up raising a big question and also end up, bringing up this topic that's often debatable, which is corruption in judiciary. But on the other hand, we've also spoken, there are also lawyers and people who are saying that the allegations are not yet proven. So the possibility of a conspiracy, as Justice Verma has also now indicated, could be true. There's no proof as of now, as to whether the cash belonged to him and what exactly has happened. The inquiry is yet to be completed. But yes, just the fact that cash in such large amount was found at a sitting High Court judge in itself is an extremely shocking thing because. The entire idea of independence of judiciary and the judicial system is supposed to be the judges are supposed to be honest, etc. But whether or not he's guilty, something, and what exactly happened is something we'll know once the inquiry concludes. That's it.
Right. Shrishti, what can you tell us about the 3-member panel that has been formed by the Supreme Court to probe the entire incident? Who is part of the panel?
Well, so the CJ has constituted a 3-member committee. It consists of, when a 3-member panel is constituted as part of the in-house procedures, it's supposed to consist of 2 sitting High Court Chief Justices and 1 High Court judge. In this case, the committee has the Chief Justice of High Court of Punjab and Haryana, the Chief Justice of High Court of Himachal Pradesh, and the judge of the Karnataka High Court. They've been asked to conduct an inquiry into the allegations that have been made against Justice Verma. And after that, what we also heard from the court was, till the time being this inquiry is being conducted, the Chief Justice of Delhi High Court has also been asked to not assign any judicial work to this Justice Yashwant Verma. So all these, considering the court has made the earlier reports public, we're also expecting once the report of this committee comes out, the court is also likely to make that report public, and we should have information as to what exactly the committee decides.
Right, only time will tell what the probe report reveals. Thank you, Shrishti, for bringing us those details on that story.